Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to reset your Savana account password in 2026. If you've forgotten your password or simply want to create a new one, the process is quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open the Savana website or app and go to the log in *** page. Next, click the ** forgot password * or reset password * link below the sign-in form. Yeah, this will start the password recovery process. Now enter the email address associated with your Savana account and submit the request. Make sure you use the same email you registered with. After that, check your inbox for a password reset email. If you don't see it within a few minutes, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email, click the reset link, and create a new, strong password. Then confirm the new password and save your changes. Finally, return to the login page and sign in using your new password. If you're still having trouble, contact Savana support for additional assistance. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Savana account password. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.